FKN viewers. We have breaking news today. We have a proof of aliens living secretly in Antarctica. Just take a look at this random footage by a random Lithuanian guy. Let's get to the video.
Guys, this is the most amazing thing. Look.
That's nice.
That's right, these groundbreaking findings are sending shockwaves.
Hold on. This is fake news. We're here to discredit this sensational story and show you how to spot fake news.
First, verify the news by checking with reputable sources in the field. Trustworthy platforms who provide accurate information. Second, use dedicated fact-checking websites to verify the authenticity of the news. These platforms specialize in uncovering hoax and misinformation. Third, you can use Google reverse image search, where you upload the image to Google and check for any previous appearance or altered context.
In a world overflowing with information, it's crucial to arm yourself with the right tools.
Well, that was unexpected.
Indeed, it turns out that the news about aliens was too good to be true.
So maybe after all, if you come across suspicious news, it's better to use the tools mentioned before to verify their authenticity.
Up next, is your toilet seat a camera?